Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a secure project so your typing history stays organized and safe. Sign in with email or SSO, then enable 2FA to protect access. This prevents accidental data leaks. Once done, tap New Project, give it a concise name, and choose local versus cloud storage depending on privacy needs. Make sure to set the base language and typing mode, and adjust autosave to 30 seconds so your work is captured without interruptions. Next, focus on capturing and organizing text efficiently. Enable live capture for real-time input and toggle noise filtering to reduce accidental keystrokes, which improves accuracy. As you add entries, tag each with 1 to 3 labels and place them in folders or star critical items so you can retrieve them quickly. Also use snippets and templates for repeated phrases, and when migrating content, import CSV or TXT files in bulk to save time and keep structure intact. Finish by reviewing and exporting your work. Use the search plus filters like date, tag, and project to narrow results, then refine or merge entries as needed. When ready, export selections as TXT, CSV, or an encrypted archive and confirm the destination path so nothing is misplaced. If sync or export fails, check your network connection, re-authenticate your account, and then force resync from settings. This typically resolves conflicts without data loss and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.